The surge of infections in China had once again left the people scared, but now the frequency of spread of the new Omicron variant has shocked the world. As per estimates from the government's top health authority, nearly 37 million people in China may have been infected with COVID on a single day this week. This makes the country's outbreak by far the world's largest, as almost 248 million people, or nearly 18% of the population, have likely contracted the virus in the first 20 days of December. If accurate, the infection rate could be much higher than the previous daily record of about 4 million set in January 2022, according to the minutes from an internal meeting of China's National Health Commission, as per the reports. Beijing's swift dismantling of COVID-0 restrictions has led to the unfettered spread of the highly contagious Omicron variants in a population with low levels of natural immunity. More than half the residents of Sichuan province in China's southwest and the capital Beijing have been infected, according to the agency's estimates. However, the process of estimating the number remained unclear as the country shut down its once ubiquitous network of PCR testing booths earlier this month. Precise infection rates have been difficult to establish in other countries during the pandemic, as hard-to-get lab tests were supplanted by home testing with results that weren't centrally collected. There was no estimate made on how many people have died due to COVID, but the minutes cited Ma Xiaowi, the head of NHC, reiterating the narrower definition used to count COVID fatalities. People in China are now using rapid antigen tests to detect infections, and they aren't obligated to report positive results. Meanwhile, the government has stopped publishing the daily number of asymptomatic cases. Chen Qin, chief economist at data consultancy Metro Data Tech, forecasts China's current wave will peak between mid-December and late January in most cities, based on an analysis of online keyword searches. His model suggests the reopening surge is already responsible for tens of millions of infections daily, with the largest case counts in the cities of Shenzhen, Shanghai, and Chongqing. The outbreak is spreading from urban centers in China to rural China, where medical resources are often lacking. The agency warned every region to prepare for the coming surge in the severe disease. The scale of infection suggested by the official estimates underscores the challenge China faces after it abruptly pivoted from the COVID-0 regime that largely kept the virus at bay for the past 3 years. Hospitals in major Chinese cities, including Beijing and Shanghai, have been overwhelmed with a sudden surge in patients, while crematoriums struggle to handle the onslaught of deaths. Epidemiologists have forecasted that millions of people are likely to be infected with the virus in the coming few months, and millions may succumb to the virus. The dire warning once again grips China 3 years after the virus breakout was first reported.